है लक्ष्मी तू, है शीतल तू, है अग्नि तू, तेरे पाँव में है तीनों लोक, है औरत खुद ही भक्ति तू।
May all be prosperous and happy, may all be free from illness. May all see auspiciousness everywhere, may none ever suffer. Oh, may peace prevail all around.
What could happen more apt than this very mantra to start such an auspicious event wherein we shall not only witness the annual fest Vasantika 2022 of the BTech year students, but also experience the gracious presence and valued words of the laudable luminaries, honorable parents and the new members of PEACE.
Greetings of the moment. I am Harsh Mishra
And I am Vidisha Pandit.
of BTech third year, and in this vivacious event,
We handle the capacity of the moderators,
amid such
adored personas.
So the moment has finally come, and we have been waiting for this moment for a couple of years now. Vasantika 2022 officially begins here. Can we have a huge round of applause for that? Thank you so much for having me. Before proceeding any further, I must proclaim that Dreams Autonomous, under the aegis of Dreams Group of Institutions, patronage of the Chairman Sri Jukta Pramod Chandra Rath, visionary outlook of the co-chairman, Engineer Durga Prasad Rath, and effective administration of Director Admin Sri Balramkar, had flourished into a comprehensive hub of quality education. This sprawling campus of dreams that spreads over 160 acres of land is adorned with natural beauty, endowed with an amazing touch of craftsmanship, crowned as a learning center for courses in technical, education management, studies and medical sciences. Dreams Group of Institution has proved its worth not only in its homestead Odisha, but across the country. Dreams possesses a superbly crafted infrastructure with all the latest facilities, well-furnished and equipped classroom, laboratories, auditorium, libraries, workshops and whatnot.
Ladies and gentlemen, the entire cosmos is filled with darkness. Just like some envious people who dwell around us ceaselessly try to trouble us, but just like the light conquers the darkness, we must cast away such people from our minds to attain bliss. Because our mind is as subtle, as fast, and as bright as the light. Yes, light, which not only does save us from darkness, but also guides and leads us towards victory.
I can see that a lot of people over here are a little less energetic. I think we have been waiting for this for a very long time, and I see people yawning over here. That's not the right thing to do. Can we have a huge round of applause and let's be a little more energetic. Alright, guys? Yes. Thus, to rejoice the importance of light in our lives, may I please request the Honorable Chief Guest, Mrs. Dina Samal, the Chief Speaker, Professor Dr. Tribhuvan M. Mohapatra, the Guest of Honor, Mr. Sanjay Nayak, the Special Invitee, Mr. Rudra Panigrahi, Esteemed Director Admin, Sri Jukta Balramkar, Admired Director Academics, Professor Dr. Kapileshwar Mishra, President Principal, Dreams Autonomous, Professor Dr. Nayan Ranjan Samal, the Vice Principals, and deans and all our HODs to come on the dais for the inaugural lamp and floral tribute to late Sri Ganeshwar Nath, whose name this prestigious educational institution is named after. So can we please have you all on the stage?
Hello. Dreams College. Huh? हाँ. हाँ.
Brings auspiciousness, health, prosperity, and destroys inimical feelings.
Now I would like to request Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Peter Samuel, the Chief Speaker, Professor Dr. Tribhuvan M. Mukherjee,
The guest of honor, Mr. Sanjay Nayak, the special invitee, Mr. Bhuti Panikari, and the treasurer principal to please be seated on the dais.
May I now request the student volunteers to offer bouquet and badges to the radiant luminaries as token of adoration.
Dear guests, we welcome you wholeheartedly in this campus of Dreams Autonomous Engineering College. Please accept our token of love. Thank you so much. without further ado, I would like to request one of the finest academicians with special interest towards upliftment of student activities. He is the Principal, Student Coordination and the HOD Lieutenant Professor Dr. Nayan Ranjan Samal, to invite him over the welcome address and read out the annual report. So may I now request Professor Dr. Nayan Ranjan Samal on the dais.
Very good afternoon to one and all present over here. With due respect to our Honorable Chairman, Shri Pramod Chandra, our Honorable Director Administration, Shri Varnamkar, will proceed our program. Esteemed dignitaries on the dais, all the directors, principals, staff members, and my dear students. This was the Vasantika Bhai Vijan. I have seen the passion among you all to celebrate this much awaited event. By the grace of God, we have successfully conducted the honor sports event and the celebration of Vasantika has begun. It gives me immense pleasure seeing the enthusiasm of our faculty and students. Since its inception in 1999, Dreams Autonomous has been nurturing the budding engineers, imparting proper education, considering the holistic growth of its students. Amidst all the challenges due to pandemic, Dreams Autonomous has successfully offered digital learning using various online platforms. The institution has witnessed immense growth in the number of placements this year, as most of the students are placed in many reputed organizations like TCS, Wipro, Capgemini, and many more. The institution is all set to get the recognition of state university in the recent future. Though the educational system has been greatly hampered by the COVID crisis, it has not ceased the enthusiasm and the interest of our professors as well as students. The mode was shifted from physical mode to virtual mode. The number of placements remains same. Throughout the year, all the departments of the institution have organized many AICTE and IST sponsored seminars, workshops, HTTP and national conference successfully. Throughout the year, a good number of departmental webinars are successfully conducted on various vital and ongoing issues. We have conducted the mid-semester and semester examinations successfully using the best possible virtual platform. The induction program and orientation program for the first year students was successfully conducted in the month of November where various notable speakers were invited from different fields to ignite our students. The students have visited museums and nearby villages as a part of the induction program. The institution has celebrated most of the national and international days. To mark few occasions like Utgal Divas, Odia New Year and Children's Day, students have opened food stalls in various delicious foods. The students have paid visit to children's home on the World Literacy Day and have conducted program for educating girl child. The institution has registered all its internal clubs under the Dreams Students Activity Center, where students will get a platform to showcase their inner talent. The institution has been paired with Raisoni Group of Institutions, Jalgaon, Maharashtra, under the AICT program of Ek Bharat, Shrestha Bharat. And collaboratively, both the institutions have observed and celebrated national and international days. The NSS wing is the most active and performing part of the institution. It has celebrated World Environmental Day, International Yoga Day, World Red Cross Day, holding webinars and motivating the students throughout virtual mode. The internal quality assurance cell, the entrepreneurship development cell, the Dreams quality assurance cell, the industry institute partnership cell are established for the academic growth of the students. Recently, the institute has introduced the ERP system, which is an integral part in an educational institution. The institution has acknowledged the sincere efforts and dedication of its faculty members and has felicitated those who have rendered 15 years of selfless service to this prestigious education institution. Our students are our stakeholders. The entire year, our students, faculty members have excelled in their respective areas, and as head of Dreams Autonomous, I could not see myself to bestow appreciation for their dedication and sincerity. This is all about our annual report. Now come to our Vasantika. Yes, Dreams is a beautiful campus, full of flowers and fruits. But flowers without butterfly is meaningless, like a river without water. So students are our butterfly. Every touch of our students makes our institution bold and beautiful. And this is the time celebrate. After 2 years of interval, again we are here together to celebrate our most awaited Vasantika 2022. So thank you very much, and all my blessings for you, all the success of Vasantika 2022. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. It's now the time to fill in a little adrenaline in your veins. So now it is the best time to call the musicals. They call them the Stringers. And let me tell you that this musical group is a plethora of symphony. Can we please have on the stage the Stringers? Thank you, Naveen. You have to bear a little in the live shows. This Ratigi. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. It was indeed very musical. I think the audience enjoyed it.
Time has come to familiarize with the review of dignitaries. Thus, may I now request Professor Dr. Jivanananda Mehna to introduce us with the guests.
May I please have you on the stage?
esteemed dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, on behalf of Dreams Autonomous Engineering College, I welcome all of you for the annual function Vasantika to K22. Today, we all are privileged enough to have amongst us one of the leading academician, Professor Tribhuvan M. Mahapatra, Chief Speaker of the function, who is presently working as the Distinguished Professor at Banaras Hindu University. He has his specialization in medical microbiology, hospital infection, tropical parasitic disease, and many more. For his selfless service, he has been awarded with many titles and has received worldwide recognition. He has organized and attended many more national and international conferences and chaired more than 50 sessions in the national as well as international conferences. Everyone has a fascination towards the film industry. It is a matter of pleasure for all of us to have Mr. Sanjay Naik, guest of honor of today's function. He is a renowned producer and director of Korea film industry. He is also one of the finest filmmakers who have contributed a lot towards the growth of Korea cinema industry. We have also Mistress Jina Samal, chief guest of today's function, as well as Mr. Rudra Pranigare, special invite of the today's function, who have showcased their talent in Korea serials and movies. They are very popular names and have a great fan following for their amazing skill of acting. I welcome all the river dignitaries to Dreams. Thank you all of you. Thank you.
Gratitude enough, sir.
Now it is the time to call upon Mr. Sanjay Naik, the guest of honor, for addressing us all. Can you please have you on the stage, sir?
Hi friends, ମୁଁ କୌଣସି ନେତା ନୁହେଁ କି ଅଭିନେତା ନୁହେଁ ଯେ ଭାଷଣ ଦେବି। ମୋତେ ଅଭିନେତା ଗାଇଥିବାରୁ ମୁଁ ନିଜକୁ ଭାଗ୍ୟବାନ ମନେ କରୁଛି। ମୋତେ ଯେତେବେଳେ କପିଳେଶ ବାବୁ ରିକ୍ୱେଷ୍ଟ କଲେ ଗେଷ୍ଟ ଆସିବା ପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ହଁ କରିଦେଇଥିଲି, କାହିଁକିନା ଡ୍ରିମ୍ସ କଲେଜ ପ୍ରତି ମୋର ବହୁତ ଦିନରୁ ଦୁର୍ବଳତା ଅଛି। କାହିଁକିନା ଏକରେ ଡ୍ରିମ୍ସ କଲେଜର ଯିଏ ଚେୟାରମ୍ୟାନ୍ ପ୍ରମୋଦ ଦତ୍ତ ସାର୍, ସେ ମୋ ବାପାଙ୍କର ଭଲ ବନ୍ଧୁ ଏବଂ ଯେତେବେଳେ ମୁଁ ଫିଲ୍ମ ଲାଇନ୍ରେ ପଶିଲି ମୋ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ପିକ୍ଚର ଆଜି ପ୍ରଡ୍ୟୁସର ଆଇ ଲଭ୍ ୟୁ, ତାପରେ ମୁଁ ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ ଆରମ୍ଭ କଲି ବର୍ଷା ମାଣ୍ଡାଲି ଏବଂ ପ୍ରେମୀ ନମ୍ବର 1। ପ୍ରେମୀ ନମ୍ବର 1 ମୋ ହିରୋ ଅନୁଭବ ମହାନ୍ତି ଥିଲେ କଲେଜ ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟ। ସେତେବେଳେ ଭଲ କଲେଜ ଦରକାର ସୁଟିଂ କରିବା ପାଇଁ, ସେତେବେଳେ ମ୍ୟାକ୍ସିମମ୍ ଓଡ଼ିଆ ସୁଟିଂ କରୁଥିଲେ କିଟ୍ କଲେଜରେ। ବଟ୍ ଯେହେତୁ ମୁଁ କଟିଆ, ମୋତେ କଟକରେ ଯେଉଁ ଡ୍ରିମ୍ସ କଲେଜ ଭଲ ଲାଗିଥିଲା, ମୁଁ ଡ୍ରିମ୍ସ କଲେଜରେ 10ରୁ 12 ଦିନ ସୁଟିଂ କରିଥିଲି ଏବଂ ମୋତେ ଏତେ ଭଲ ଲାଗିଥିଲା ଆଟମୋସ୍ଫିୟର। ସେ ଟାଇମ୍ରେ ଡ୍ରିମ୍ସ କଲେଜ ବହୁତ ନୂଆ ଷ୍ଟାଇଲ୍ର କଲେଜ ଥିଲା ଏବଂ ଏଠି ମୁଁ ଯଦି ଆପଣ ମାନେ ଦେଖିଥିବେ ମୋର ପ୍ରେମୀ ନମ୍ବର 1 ଫିଲ୍ମ, ତେବେ ଏଠି ଗୀତ ସୁଟିଂ କରିଥିଲି, ହରେ ରାମ ହରେ କୃଷ୍ଣ, ଏଇ ଷ୍ଟେଜ୍ ଉପରେ ସୁଟିଂ କରିଥିଲି। ତାପରେ ମୁଁ ବାବୁସାନଙ୍କୁ ସୁଟିଂ କଲି ରୋମିଓ ନବରଗଡ଼ରେ, ପୁଣି ମୁଁ ଡ୍ରିମ୍ସ କଲେଜ ଆସିଥିଲି, 7-8 ଦିନ ସୁଟିଂ କରିଥିଲି ଏଇଠି ଡ୍ରିମ୍ସ କଲେଜରେ। ଏଇ ଷ୍ଟେଜ୍ରେ ବାବୁସାନ ଆସିଥିଲା ତା ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଭିତରେ। ତେଣୁ ମୁଁ ଡ୍ରିମ୍ସ କଲେଜ ପ୍ରତି ବହୁତ ଦୁର୍ବଳତା ଅଛି। ଆଉ ଏତିକି କହିବି, ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଯେଉଁ କ୍ୟାରିୟର ଗୋଟେ ଅଛି, ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆପଣ ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟ, ଏଇଟା ହେଉଛି ଗୋଟେ ମଣିଷର ଭାଇଟାଲ ସିଚୁଏସନ୍। ଏଇ କଲେଜ ଟାଇମ୍ରେ ପିଲାମାନେ ଡିସାଇଡ୍ କରନ୍ତି ଫ୍ୟୁଚର କ'ଣ କରିବେ, ସେମାନେ କ୍ୟାରିୟର ଗଢ଼ନ୍ତି ଏଇଠୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହୁଏ। ତେଣୁ ମୁଁ ଆଜ ଏ ପ୍ରଡ୍ୟୁସର ମୁଁ ଏତିକି କହିବି, ଯେଉଁମାନେ ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟେଡ୍ ଫିଲ୍ମ ଲାଇନ୍ରେ ଆକ୍ଟିଂ କରିବା ପାଇଁ କି ଏଣ୍ଟରଟେନମେଣ୍ଟ ୱାର୍ଲଡ ଆସିବା ପାଇଁ, ସେତେବେଳେ ଓନ୍ଲି ମାଧ୍ୟମ ଥିଲା ଫିଲ୍ମ। ବଟ୍ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ବହୁତ ପ୍ଲାଟଫର୍ମ ଆସିଲାଣି, ଡିଜିଟାଲ ମାନେ ସେଟେଲାଇଟ୍ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲ ଆସିଲାଣି, OTT ପ୍ଲାଟଫର୍ମ ଆସିଲାଣି, ୟୁଟ୍ୟୁବ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲ ଆସିଲାଣି। ତେଣୁ ଆପଣମାନେ ଚାହିଁବେ ଏ ଲାଇନ୍ରେ କ୍ୟାରିୟର କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଆରାମରେ କରିପାରିବେ। ଏ ଲାଇନ୍ରେ ନେମ୍ ଫେମ୍ ଏଣ୍ଡ ପଇସା ସବୁ ଅଛି। ଲାଇକ୍ ଜିନା ରୁଦ୍ର ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଏଇ ଲାଇନ୍ରେ ରହିକି ଭଲ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଏବଂ ଭଲ ପଇସା କମଉଛନ୍ତି କାରଣ ପ୍ଲାଟଫର୍ମ ବହୁତ ବଢ଼ିଲାଣି। ତେଣୁ ଆପଣମାନେ ଯଦି ଏ ଲାଇନ୍ରେ ଆସିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ଏତିକି ଆଜି ପ୍ରଡ୍ୟୁସର ଗାଇଡ଼ କରିପାରିବି। ବେଷ୍ଟ ମେଥଡ଼ ହେଉଛି ଆପଣମାନେ ଘରେ ମିରର ସାମ୍ନାରେ ଆକ୍ଟିଂ କରନ୍ତୁ କାହିଁକିନା ଆପଣ ଆଖି ହେଉଛି ବେଷ୍ଟ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଯିଏ କହିପାରିବ ଏଇଟା ଭଲ ନା ଖରାପ। ତେଣୁ ସେଇଟା ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ ଏବଂ ଯେଉଁ କାମ କରନ୍ତୁ ଲଗ୍ନ ସହିତ କାମ କରନ୍ତୁ ସିଓର ସକ୍ସେସ୍ ପାଇବେ। ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ।
Thank you so much, sir. It was really liberating the students.
Now we call upon the stage Professor Dr. Trinovan M. Mohapatra,
The chief
Chief
speaker for today.
Dignitaries on the dais, namely Dr. N.R. Samal, Principal, Professor Jivanananda Mehanan, Dean, Sanjay Naik ji, Jina Samal Madam, Rudra Panigrahi ji, and of course the founder is not there, but he wishes to always be there. Sitting in the auditorium, my junior colleague, Professor Misra, the director of Pramila Hospital, and above all, Kapileshwar Mishra ji, who is responsible for dragging me here, my wife Mrs. Mohapatra, and Professor Pritam Mohanty of KIIT University. The students, they are dearest to me because I have been in the teaching profession since ages, maybe more than 40 years. Yeah. So you are closer to my heart. और एक बात है, whenever I come and attend any youngsters meeting and a program, I become 10 years younger myself. That's the way I keep myself young. Good afternoon. How is the Josh? How is the Josh? Good. Great. I have been, because I am in the Banaras Indian University campus, we have an Indian institution, which is IIT, you must be knowing. They hold the program Kashi Yatra. I have been the opportunity of becoming a judge for solo music and dramatics. Because during my medical career, बहुत साल हो गया है भैया, तो I was 5 years best singer and best actor. उसके बाद फिर सिनेमा में ज्वाइन किया, फिर छोड़ दिया, then I preferred academics. I am wedded to academics. तो थोड़ा बहुत झलक तो रह जाता है. Anyway, बसंतिका के लिए आप लोगों को सबको मेरी शुभकामनाएं. Best of luck for all these. And when these engineering students, they make the program, they do the best. बहुत टैलेंट रहते हैं. And engineering profession is a very versatile profession. You can find engineers in any field of life, be it administrative, technical, engineering itself, core engineering, software, even in our medical engineering, some engineering portion comes because I deal with genetic engineering, molecular biology and biotechnology. So I know few people are there in many medical engineering institutions. You find these genetic engineering and biotechnology inclusive of it. So they can be anywhere and everywhere. Such a versatile field, not unlike this medical people. We are myopic in a vision. Of course, very few exceptions you can find, like Palas Sen. Euphoria. Do you remember Dhum Pichak Dhum? गाना अच्छा मैं पलाश के साथ गाना गाया हूँ. I have shared the mic with Palas Sen. He is an orthopedician. And Sriram Lagu and all these things, very few and far between. ओडिया फिल्म में भी दी जन थी रजनी महांती नहीं एंड लास्ट आई फॉरगेट रजनी महांती मुझे सीनियर थे बहुत. So one thing I can wish all the good luck, enjoy the program to the maximum. जब पढ़ाई करिएगा, काम करिएगा, भूत जैसे काम करिए. जब एंजॉय करने का टाइम आएगा, वैसे ही एंजॉय लाइक ए घोस्ट. डांस टू द मैक्सिमम, एंजॉय एंड डू दैट. लेकिन हुड़दंग नहीं होना चाहिए, नहीं बदमाशी नहीं होनी चाहिए. थोड़ा बहुत रिस्ट्रेंट एंजॉय. एंड मैं देख रहा था कि बहुत हिंदी को नहीं अभ्यास है 48 वर्ष बनारस रे हेगलानी. तेणु मु देखुची बहुत प्रोग्राम अच्छी आज बाय द इंटरनल स्टूडेंट्स. आई वुड लव टू अटेंड एंड सी बट आई डोंट नो कल होना हो.
जरूर होगा और हम सब होंगे, आप होंगे. And I wish that everybody very good health and prosperity. Your words were very, very fulfilling. Thank you so much, sir. It is an honor to have you here. Now, I would like to take the opportunity to call upon Mrs. Gina Samal, the chief guest for today's culture program.
हेलो हाय बट जहाँ अगर नमस्कार करेगा तो से मैंने होचंती टीचर्स राइट. सो सार एंड मैम को मोर प्रणाम. ओडिया कोच बहुत नॉर्मलिया थी जड़ा अच्छी बट कौन करी ओडिया आर्टिस्ट ओडिया हिरोइन तो ओडिया नहीं कहू पड़ो. जय जगन्नाथ. जिते आमर अच्छा गेस्ट समस्त को मोर नमस्कार. एंड आई एम रियली वेरी हैप्पी टू बी हियर टुडे बिकॉज ड्रीम्स कॉलेज माने ओडिशा रे नुह ओडिशा बाहर भी समस्त जाने. आज ये गोटे अपॉर्चुनिटी जोटा मिली चीफ गेस्ट जो ऑनर मिली यहाँ गोटे आई एम रियली ब्लेस्ड. ओके कहीं मुझे कॉलेज जाए बहुत किसी मेमोरी आसी जाए मोर माने से भूली हुए मु कॉलेज आसला पाखर खाली भूलुची बिकॉज मु मिस करूची मोर कॉलेज डे रो मु एक्ट्रेस हो सारी. आफ्टर माय स्कूलिंग मुझे एक्ट्रेस होती आ मोर कॉलेज कैरियर से सरला. जमी कि सार कहले इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज रे तो गोटे माने लाइक आउ गोटे कनेक्शन अच्छी बिकॉज एवरीबडी नोज कि आई मैरिड एंड मिस्टर रुद्र पालीग्राही होचन मो हस्बैंड. Say actor, but civil engineer. So, वो family रे engineer अच्छे से मोर कनेक्शन आउट के भला. बाकी एबे आसीबा आमर मु किछि भी स्पीच देबिनी काहे ना मु कौन स्पीच देबी. टुटु भाई खाली कहले जे मते मु नेता को के अभिनेता को स्पीच दियोती. हां बॉयज का नाम बोले दियोती डांस करती. सत्य कथा बा एनी प्रोफेशन रे जॉब करंतु फर्स्ट थिंग मु कहबी कि एजुकेशन मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट थिंग लाइफ रे एजुकेट हवा निहाती दरकार लोक भावती अभिनेता माने पाठ पढ़ नथांती एटा भूल कथा मो स्टूडेंट कैरियर रे ही अभिनय करथिले तार सहित पाठ भी पढ़ुथिले आ सब जिनस सरी जाए पर एजुकेशन केबे सरी तेणु पाठ जो टाइम तक आप एंजॉय करिया कथा निहाती एंजॉय करंतु बाकी रहा अभिनेता मान आउ गोटे फायदा अच्छे कहीं आप कहले कि अभिनेता मैंने डांस करते ये अभिनेतार डांस न देखिए अभिनेता मान न देखिए आप एंटरटेनमेंट